Want to sell your own custom t-shirts, hoodies, or mugs without handling inventory? In this video, I will show you how to use Spreadshirt in 2025 to create, design, and sell your own merch step by step. Spreadshirt is a print-on-demand platform like Printify, where you upload your designs and they handle printing, shipping, and even customer service. You can sell on their Spreadshirt marketplace or through your own Spreadshop store. You earn money for every sale with no upfront costs. To get started, go to spreadshirt.com and choose your location. Click on Start Selling button at the top. Choose between Spreadshop or Marketplace. For Marketplace, you upload designs. Spreadshirt handles the rest. Spreadshop, you get your own branded store free. Sign up with your email or Google account, set your username, payout information, and reason. You are now ready to upload your first design. For that, click Open your own Spreadshop, shop name, then enter your email, new password. Keep in mind it's totally strong. Then get started now. Once you are inside, click Upload Design from Designs section, then browse and upload your designs from your computer, like that. Use high-resolution PNG files with transparent background. Add a title. Click Next. Now add design name, description, or better discoverability. Choose the products you want to sell, like t-shirts, hoodies, tote bags, and more. You can adjust the position, size, and color variations for each item. If you choose the Spreadshop route, you can customize your state front too. Add your logo, pick your store theme and colors, link a custom domain, then click Publish, connect your social media to promoting. You get your own shop URL, like your name dot myspreadshop.com. For every sale, Spreadshirt pays you a commission, like a base price goes to them for production. Anything above that, it is your profit. You can also earn bonus commissions for trending or popular designs. Payouts are monthly via PayPal or bank transfer as long as you meet the minimum payout threshold. For payment, go to account, then payment information, then provide your payment information here, like your name, first name, last name, country name, email, then save. After that, you can set up your bank account or PayPal. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching.